Let's blend our pumpkin wagon layering stencils. There are 7 stencils in this collection and a coordinating die available separately. I die cut the image first onto white cardstock, and then I'm going to blend directly onto it with our sticky mat and our patent pending corner placement guides. For stencil 1, I'll be using our bubblegum dye ink for the first layer of our first set of pumpkins. Once I finished blending stencil 1, I took that stencil off and I placed stencil 2 in between our corner placement guides. And then I blended this second layer with our cherry dye ink. Stencil 3 is the first layer of our second set of pumpkins, and I'm going to use Peach Blossom for stencil number 3. I'll just use a lighter touch. Once I'm done with stencil 3, I replace it with stencil 4, which is the second layer of our second set of pumpkins. I use our coralline hybrid ink and our wide flat stencil brush. I actually skipped over stencil 5 for now, and I went straight to stencil 6, which is the first layer of the wagon. I used our warm hazelnut dye ink for the first layer of the wagon. Once stencil 6 was finished, I took that off and I replaced it with stencil 7, which is the second layer of the wagon. I used found topaz for this darker brown layer. Once I was done with stencil 7, I replaced that with stencil number 5, which is the foliage layer of our pumpkin wagon set. I blended most of the stencil with our honeydew dye ink, but then I use light onyx for these 2 areas on stencil number 5, which are just the nails on the wagon. And this is how you blend our pumpkin wagon layering stencil set. It's really easy, and the final image is really festive and just really fun for a nice fall card. And this is a sentiment from our script holiday notes, stamp and die. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.